is my waterline. What is cafe? So my roughly just making cafe here, my hydrangea here. So roughly you can see. So like a otomi, simply, very simple. The umbrella there, a little bit hydrangea there, just a little branch there. This is my just main understanding. I picked the more important, what is more important to me. So monochrome, this is a monotones, the brown tone from background, and this first drawing and second drawing slightly darker, but they're all same family. The sky, what sort of sky? It's not a happy sky yesterday, like a very little bit red. Do you think air is just stuck there, or they slowly moving and they just like a cloud? Do you think move or just stuck?
Move.
Move, yeah, move. So that means if you make the one color to making like wallpaper, but if you're making, can you see each stroke, different direction, different stroke, and the color is looks like our air is kind of moving. You see this? I didn't use any white. And you can see water, and you know, water movements is not horizon way, not vertical way, horizon way. So your brush work is go more horizon way. So not detail, all the mood. I just capture the main mood. And tree energy is like a fan. So like a broccoli, like that direction. So when you're using brushwork, you read what is the inside, the energy move. Just, yeah, so you can see that's my brushwork. So this stage looks like after sunset, after golden time gone, and I feel like everything's a little bit down.
Yeah.
And then slowly I can make it more exciting. So we need this moody background first, and then after we apply opaque color and then more pop up. So this is a rich darkness. That's huge help. So I started from the middle tones and getting slightly darker. And I still keep checking mood. So you can squinting. Can you feel mood? Can you see some people? I can see some people here. I can feel people sit. there. Yeah, I can create the people. So you can see this, how I'm using all delicate pressure. Not all the same pressure, all different pressure. I love fresh stroke. I leave this sort of natural stroke texture things, I'll just leave. I don't making that kind of, I love this crispy texture. And the silhouette, the tree silhouette is not easy. You can't get this feeling with a heavy pressure. You can see how delicately, naturally can sort of, we know the plants, baby plants, and end of the tree is really delicate thing. So not happening the one done one. So more Plein knife is quite good too. So you can see how it captures the light coming this way. Yeah. And although simply you can feel this all together, looks like the same one branch, but all different, a little bit of different color. Perfect. So hold pure, exciting, opaque, creamy color on the last. Can you see how I put that on the last? So this one is quite good challenge. You're holding exciting color. So we have to wait until harvest time. Harvest time means making most yummy texture part. You need heaps preparation, foundation. And after that, okay, I'm ready for fun and detail and texture and the yummy color on the top. And after the yummy color, you can use whatever you want, your favorite color. Don't too rely on what you see, because the light keep change. Sometimes it looks yellow, sometimes it looks blue. It keep change. So you can apply your own. That's quite delightful. So I keep this light and I make a more simpler and moody on the back. So if you try to capture everything, and then you lose the point. If you talk too much, and then you lose the point. So stay until what is important to me, what is your favorite part. If you like the people, you can get a more story on the people, and the other one is more simpler. So this, you can see this everything is holding. If you're making busy here, and they're fighting. But I can make a simpler and I'm making holding mood. Yeah. And the water, and I'm using many green different layers. And I leave on the background color. You don't need to cover the whole thing. Sometimes this one I like underneath the earthy tones, because the light coming through the canvas. Warmth is always holding, and you don't need to cover. Even that sort of part is fine. That sort of part is fine. So what is first? We need a warm, stormy mood with your straight line movements. Prepare the canvas, but set up your studio, little outdoor studio, comfortably, and then step by step.